Now, here's meteorologist Michelle Muscatello with your Pinpoint Weather 12 forecast.
The Texas Gulf Coast region, out through Louisiana, Mississippi, Alabama, even the Florida Panhandle, all watching closely the situation here. As Marco is the first one up, you can see it bringing rain and a lot of cloud cover to the Florida Panhandle this morning. Meanwhile, Laura, which is the more significant of the storms, still near Cuba. So let's talk first about Marco. You can see the center of the storm to the south and east of New Orleans right now, and it's moving northwest at 10 miles per hour. They're going to start to deal with some tropical storm conditions there along the Louisiana coastline today. Maximum sustained winds with a little bit of good news, down to 60 miles per hour. This is expected now to stay a tropical storm as it brushes by Louisiana. Laura, unfortunately, though, as it makes its way past Cuba today and into the Gulf of Mexico, expected to strengthen. And I would not be surprised if this was a major hurricane before it made landfall. Right now, the forecast track has Laura as a Category 2 hurricane as it approaches late Wednesday and Wednesday night. Again, parts of the Louisiana coastline expected to bear the brunt of this storm, but anywhere from eastern Texas through Louisiana going to be watching. So as far as impacts from this storm surge and wind damage, of course, concerns, but there's going to be some very significant rainfall. Could get 6 to 10 inches of rain with isolated higher amounts across Louisiana. Our lone local weather going to be hit or miss showers and thunderstorms this afternoon and again on Tuesday. We're most concerned about the afternoon and evening Tuesday for severe weather. These are storms that could contain some hail and some strong winds. We're dry right now, but dealing with some fog in North Scituate, and we've been seeing some of the low cloud cover in East Providence as well. Upper 60s to lower 70s for the temperature. Dew points at 70 degrees. As the temperatures climb to the upper 80s to near 90 today, we're going to be seeing the heat index into the lower to middle 90s. So a real steamy day for us. Another very hot summer day. As the morning goes on, I expect by 9-10 o'clock in the morning for the low clouds and the fog to be giving way to that partial sunshine, and then the mix of sun and clouds expected in the afternoon. Coastal areas have a higher chance of staying dry, while it's inland spots that we'll really need to be monitoring for those isolated thunderstorms. Upper 80s to near 90 degrees this afternoon in Coventry and Johnston. Hot and humid day in Attleboro at 89, Taunton near 90, Fall River, New Bedford in the mid to upper 80s. So let's take a look at the hour by hour forecast. Just an isolated storm after 2 or 3 o'clock this afternoon, and the risk of those will be diminishing once the sun goes down. Then overnight tonight, we'll see just some patchy fog, and we wake up to that tomorrow morning. Strong cold front going to be approaching late Tuesday, and that's what will give us the chance for another round of storms at the end of the day. This morning at the beaches, that fog going to thin to partial sunshine. 81 for the air temperature at the coast today. Visibility is impacted by some of that fog this morning, especially lower part of the bay. High tide just around 1 o'clock in the afternoon. It'll be humid and warm again tonight, down to about 70 degrees. Here's the 7-day forecast. So upper 80s to near 90 today and tomorrow, then in the 70s for highs Wednesday, breezy and with very low humidity. Definitely going to feel more fall-like. Thursday has some showers in it, and we're keeping an eye out for the beginning of next weekend. Some of the remnants from Laura, at least some of the moisture from that system, could impact us in the form of some rainfall.